Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at actually gymnastic mat by Matladin. I did purchase this myself. I just wanted to do a review and just show you a little bit about this mat. This is how it comes in this nice box, as you can see here. Do not use a box cutter on this, it says, because you don't want to cut the material. You don't want to damage the actual mat. So I just use the scissors and just went around the edges real slowly. I'm just going to pull it out and we're just going to do a quick review and show you what this is. So this is an 8-foot long mat, okay? This is great for starting out, especially for kids, gymnastics, or if they're doing cheerleading and they want to practice some of their moves. Definitely recommend the mat, and this is how this one comes. Comes in this box. We're going to pull it out and take a look at it. Just hold the box firm, and we're going to pull it right out. It's got some suction, so just take your time, pull it out. Okay, so now you can see, so let's just, so it's got the handle, like I said, which is super convenient. You can see here. Nice size, and this is 2-inch thick. He's here. So let's just open this up. Just like you see here. So this is probably for the bottom. Let's see, that way. Let's tuck it underneath. Yeah, maybe that's how it goes. Okay. Oh, I see. So, oh, that gives a grip. Oh, okay. So this is actually a grip for the floor. I like that. Okay, I didn't realize that. So that's an actual grip. Oh, very cool. So that doesn't move. See, I was concerned about that it was going to move when they use it, but it does not move. This is good. Oh, I love that. Look at that. So it's got nice 8 feet, and you got nice width here. You can see it's 2 inches thick, which is very good. So that's what that's for. Okay, I didn't realize that. So that's an anti-slip grip, which is very cool. So once that's down, that's not moving. So I was really worried about that. So once you get the weight on it, it's not going anywhere, which is very important. And it's got some good cushion on it. This is very, very nice. Very, very well made. Definitely recommend this one. This is a nice for gymnastics, or if you're a cheerleader, anything like that. When you're getting going, this is a nice mat. So again, like I was saying, so each one of these cubes are 2 feet by 2 feet. So 2, 4, 6, 8. That's where you get the 8 feet length and 2 feet across. So each block is 2 by 2, and you got 4 of those, different colors. So again, quite nice, very well built. It's got 2 inches of thickness, which is nice, and very firm padding. That's really super important as well. You can see that very, very firm padding. So the kid's gonna have plenty of protection, your child, and then when you're done with it, you fold it up. Easy breezy. Take this part. You come in like this. And then you can take it like that. And you can take it with you to the gym or gymnastics or cheerleading, whatever you want, your friend's house. Portable, lightweight, not heavy at all, but durable. Definitely recommend this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know, leave me some comments down below. If you have this mat or something similar to that, I'd appreciate that. Let me know. Leave some comments. It really helps quite a bit. Also, I'll leave a link for this product. It'll be right here. That's where the link will be. And also in the description, the link will be for this actual mat. Good quality. I mean, honestly, for the money, definitely. And I like the handle on this too. Quite nicely made, quite well. Appreciate it as always. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next review.